Hey, what's up, traders? To watch this video here for Wednesday, February 12th. Real quick, somebody on Twitter, Scott Redler, was tweeting about Michelle Caruso Cabrera. Remember her from CNBC? That she's going to run against AOC in her district. And I remember seeing this picture years ago, so I just tweeted back this picture, and Scott got his panties all in a wad thinking I'm taking a shot at Michelle for some reason. I actually think it's awesome that she's running against AOC because well, how do I put this nicely? AOC is a moron, and it'd be nice to see someone extremely smart run against her. But I thought the bikini pic, most men would look at that and go, hey, wow. But Scott got his panties in a wad and thought I was cutting her down. Somehow, I think most men would look at that picture and say, yeah, Mike's not cutting her down. He's tipping his cap. But, you know, I guess the world that we live in is that soft and nerfy nowadays. I don't know. Anyway, just to clear that up. And I deleted the tweet because I don't want Scott to be too upset and think I'm taking a shot at Michelle. Again, most men would look at that and say, Mike's not taking a shot at all. And I bet you most people don't know that picture existed. All right, anyway, I'm done babbling. The SPY gapped up today, basically closing at all-time highs with the exception of what it traded today because it closed below its open. But needless to say, still a very strong market. What are we watching for tomorrow? REXN, big pop. And a fairly strong close. I mean, well off its highs, but certainly going to watch for some kind of red to green or something like that tomorrow. And then VC, I'm just keeping this one on watch because it's kind of put in an inside day today. If you switch to 15s, you can kind of see this was one of the strongest stocks in the world when everyone was terrified of the coronavirus. For some reason now, nobody seems to be, but this was yesterday, had a really nice run, and then today kind of a quiet inside day. So maybe it bottomed yesterday. And I do want to have at least one coronavirus play on watch, so that's the one I've chosen. ADVM had this pop yesterday and gave it all back, and then today pretty much engulfed yesterday's trading, so really strong. We're going to watch that one. JKS, nice breakout today and a strong close. We're going to watch that one. Riot, you know, I've never liked trading Riot, but it has formed kind of a nice bottom down here and is breaking out above 3 months worth of trading, and Bitcoin's having a strong week. I don't have a Bitcoin chart in front of me, but you can look at what GBTC, I think, is the symbol. Yeah, see how strong that is? That's an over-the-counter stock, but it follows Bitcoin almost perfectly. So anyway, so we're going to watch Riot to have a Bitcoin play on watch. NH had the big pop, secondary pop, few days lower on declining volume. Just goes back on bounce watch. Glue, kind of the same thing, GLUU. Big pop, 3 days lower on declining volume. TCON, kind of obscure, but a nice pop back here, secondary pop here, nice support, and a little bit of extra volume in the last few days and trying to curl up. So I want to watch that one, although it's kind of obscure. It's not really in play. Wi-Fi, WIFI, nice pop today. Topped out at 1306, closed at 1262, but nice volume. Maybe we get a red to green and a breakout of this range that it's been in for several months. SGBX, another kind of obscure one, but had a big volume spike the other day and sideways, nice volume today, and it's starting to curl up. We'll look at that on like 30-minute candles. Oh, okay, it looks different here because it's a recent reverse split. So the float is tiny, and my charts get jacked up on recent reverse splits when I go to a 5-day chart or whatever. So I have to go back to the daily. But anyway, tiny float now and strong volume today, so we're going to keep that one on watch. LPTH, nice pop. Then an inside day and another inside day. It's really coiling for maybe a second move there. And a similar chart in TNAV, TNAV. Nice pop and a couple inside days. So I'm losing my voice. I'm going to leave it at that. And we'll see you all in chat tomorrow.